Hi there, everybody. This is John Drew here from Elevated Planet.
And Jolie Gabrielle from Elevated Planet. Thank you so much for joining us today, this Sunday. We have a lot in store for you, including a little bit about the Beatles, and John's going to tell us more about it.
When looking at what to focus upon this week, George Harrison, he did an awful lot of spiritual exploration. They all did, all four of them. Spend a lot of time in India, as you'll see, because I'm going to share this stuff with you very shortly. But it's really interesting when you take his perspective and you look back at what he discovered during their time in India and how it, figured in his life. Jolie, I'm going to bring you in because I am stepping on your meditation toes here. So I can do
No
that.
worries, no worries. Let's do it quickly. Are we ready?
Yep, I'm just going to
I
switch
I
screen.
really want to we have like 5 minutes. I'm going to show you or demonstrate just how 5 minutes is all you need to ground your energy and to just have your cells start popping with joy. So you want to begin to breathe with the rhythm of your body. For those of you that are in the middle of doing something like cooking or doing your hair, keep doing it. Meditation can take place at any time, at any moment. Just be careful when you're driving or operating a vehicle. All right. So you're going to want to ground your energy. And with your eyes open or closed, I want you to generate, visualize, imagine a grounding cord of a natural earth element connected to between your sit bones and then grounded and rooted into the core of Mother Earth. It takes place in a split second because you command it to be so. Command for your grounding cord to be cleaned, clear, and filled with gold light. The visualization would be to call in golden, rose-shaped scrubbing bubbles, blanketing the inside and the outside of your grounding cord. Your grounding cord is 6 inches in diameter. Pull in your aura to be 1.5 feet around you. Call your higher self back above you at a comfortable distance above your head. Snap in your astral body. Tell it to come back. Download all of that information that it received while it was out there when you were sleeping. Golden sun above your head. Open the crown of your head like you would the lens of a camera. Open the bottoms of your feet like you would the lens of a camera and call in earth energy. 15% of a color that resonates with you. Red for action, blue-green for healing, yellow for personal power, confidence, green, self-esteem, self-love, forgiveness. Pink, unconditional love. We want to bring in some indigo for speaking our truth, for some our intuition, and we can do silver for more of a deeper connection with the divine. Bringing in that color as that gold cascades down. It cascades down, and that 15% is moving up the side channels of our legs after it pulls in our feet. They meet at that grounding cord in that first chakra, and then they begin to fill you up like water fills up a cup. So this beautiful earth energy of a color that resonates with you is mixing in with this gold, and this beautiful color is becoming gold flecked as it fills up your body. Some of it goes down the grounding cord. So here we are. Any of the stress, the anxiety, the fear, the doubt, any of that we are holding on to of the past, unable to let go of the dogmas and the doctrines that are oppressing us and holding us down. Let's take a deep breath in and exhale the rhythm of our bodies. And once and for all, say, I'm ready to let go of this and release all of this negativity. And we turn it a color. We turn it a bright red, whatever we want it to be. And we flush that down and out. First, we locate it in our bodies. I'll walk you through it. Bright red. I have some bright red in my wrist. I have bright red in my chest. I have it in the front of my face, back of my hands, my arms, my creativity, and my thighs. A lot of that energy is there. So I see that and I say, this depression, this anxiety, this fear, this doubt, you got to go, homie. You got to get out of here. So we flush it down the grounding cord. And as we flush that down the grounding cord, and all of those golden scrubbing bubbles fall away, and that gold light and that Mother Earth energy just chases it all the way down. Like, you got to get out of here. You no longer belong to me. We're sending you down into the core of Mother Earth to turn into positive creative life force energy for anyone to use. And then you bring down that golden sun and you allow it to fill up the spaces and the places in your body that you just moved out that energy, whether it be anger, fear, doubt, worry, or any strong emotion. You're holding it in your body. Turn it a color, send it on out to Mother Earth. See that visualization all the way to its end. So you see that colored energy, whatever color you turned it, the bright red, all the way into Mother Earth. Sizzle, turn into positive creative life force energy. What does that mean? It becomes one with whatever that essence is in the core. And people can now access it when they ground into Mother Earth. This is a beautiful exchange of release and fill up, which then allows you to connect, just like that tree with that root system that has access to that information. Now you do as well. Take a deep breath in with the rhythm of your body. When you're ready, because this essence sprouted out your feet, hands, and crown chakras, filled up your aura layer, removed and resolved that information or what you were ready to let go of and release down into Mother Earth. Put another golden sun above your head. And this time when you bring that one down, it's going to fill up the aura layer, all of your personal space, with this beautiful energy from the divine and from Mother Earth. So you can see that energy spread out your feet, hands, and crown chakras, mixing in with that golden sun, filling up your aura layer. Take that visualization all the way down to the bottom of the aura layer, which is like an egg. And so all of that essence is going to meet underground, right? A little bit underground. As you sit in the center of this aura layer, clean and clear and filled with gold light. So now we're ready to close our feet and hand chakras like we would the lens of a camera, but we stay grounded, rooted into Mother Earth. And we're also going to close our crown chakra like we would the lens of a camera. Take a deep breath in, exhale with the rhythm of your body. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes.
Wonderful.
There you go.
Caroline, that was brilliant. And your timing was excellent as well. But that's really got me that.
So I just want to show how simple and easy it is. You can be over here with the curling iron, grounding, pulling your aura in, higher self above you, cooking the rice, bringing gold light into your rice, bringing gold light, just start using these principles in your everyday life. And it's a recipe for success.
Yes. Whenever I'm cooking or I've got my curling irons in my hair, I'm going to be doing it. Trust me.
Exactly. Try it out.
I will.
See how
I will.
feel.
Okay, brilliant. Well, we're going to send the newsletter out tomorrow with the recorded version of this. As I said before, anybody ever has any questions for us or wants to join our distribution list, reach me at johndrew@elevatedplanet.life. And you can also contact us through our website, which is elevatedplanet.life/contact page. So there you go. Thank you, Jolie. Really enjoyed this.
And thank you, community, Elevated Planet, Nos Populi. We love you.
Yeah, sure do. We'll see you next week. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.